Finding the best Steam Deck headset will become a top priority for those finally getting their hands on their new handheld PC console. Working out which is the best Steam Deck headset isn't quite as simple as browsing the likes of our own best gaming headset guide and picking the first PC-compatible one. In fact, even the best PC headset for gaming lists might not get you quite what you want. Please see the product URL provided below the description. Please follow us on YouTube for new updates. Review Finley present Top 5 Best Steam Deck Headset. Let's get started. Number 5. Asus ROG Strix Go 2.4 Wireless. If you're chasing a quality noise-canceling Steam Deck headset, then the Asus ROG Strix Go 2.4 could very well be for you. This headset is a wireless affair, which is convenient and removes the need for cords but also maintains an attractive, sleek design that is only matched in quality by the audio experience. However, a big feature is that noise cancelling, as it's very good at doing that job. We've used it to shut ourselves off from the world while working or gaming during testing, and there was nothing quite like it. This can really heighten your immersion in games on your Steam Deck, particularly so when you add in a level of comfort offered by generous padding and a subtle, slightly curved design. To round out a full experience, the Go 2.4's microphone is also great. It has excellent AI-assisted noise-canceling features, and will keep your voice clear even with background interference. Number 4. Corsair HS70 Bluetooth. If voice chat and communication is going to be high up the priority list for you and your Steam Deck headset, then we present the Corsair HS70 Bluetooth headset. A wireless headset that balances excellent audio, good comfort, a cracking microphone, and a reasonable price tag, the HS70 Bluetooth encompasses all that we love to see when testing headsets, and this makes it one of our top picks for a do-it-all Steam Deck headset. And that sound quality really wowed us in testing and sells itself. There's well-rounded rich performance across all ranges and nicely balanced bass that means everything from bombastic gunplay in Doom or quieter open-world exploration and weather noises sound superb. We enjoyed the dual connection in testing and can recommend the ability to use both of these with different devices to ensure you can stay connected to your phone while on the go. The build is solid too, and one you can have confidence in, as it is both weighty and comfortable. Number 3. Asus ROG Delta S Gaming. If you're happy to wire up a headset into the USB-C port when out and about particularly, then the Asus ROG Delta S is a cracking one to consider. Its default settings straight out of the box did seem to be geared towards the higher ranges when we tested the headset. However, that can be managed by some neat EQ software that allows for incredibly in-depth control over audio levels and balances across the entire spectrum. This makes it particularly at home on Switch or in conjunction with a PC, as altering the Delta S via its software is one of the best things to do with it, and ensures all settings are retained even if you plug it into a totally separate device or console. We found the Asus ROG Delta S to be a solid unit, coming in a sturdy yet lightweight shell, with durable plastic cups. These are edged with tasteful RGB lighting, and also heavy memory foam cushioning, which provided us with great comfort, even over longer sessions. Number 2. Turtle Beach Recon 70 Xbox Gaming. If you're in a real pinch budget-wise, then the Turtle Beach Recon 70 could be a Steam Deck headset solution for you. While it didn't blow our socks off for its game audio, or wow us with a spinny feature set, or comfort us with a robust build, it does do is package everything you need into a solid, budget-friendly proposition. We were a bit disappointed in the microphone. It's just okay, but this is a budget headset we're dealing with here, and the Recon 70 does genuinely have a good sound range and depth despite the budgetary limitations, and it's pretty comfortable. When we tested the headset, it covered games pretty well, budget or not. It is tuned for gaming, but we were also surprised that it held its own with most kinds of music too, thanks to some bassy drivers. Number 1. Turtle Beach Recon 500. Our top pick for a wired Steam Deck headset won't break the bank either, you'll be glad to hear. And it comes in the form of the Turtle Beach Recon 500. One of our very favorite headsets to come out of 2021 and across any platform. While the Recon 500 forgoes luxurious construction materials and a vast array of features, partly in order to keep that price tag reasonable, it makes up for it, crucially, sound that is so good it will take you aback. From our testing, the Recon 500 will offer a STEM Deck headset experience that is downright brilliant in audio quality, and not too hard on the wallet. That awesome sound comes from an unusual sounding place, a combination of 60mm drivers, wood composite injection technology, and dedicated woofers and tweeters per ear cup. We found that this results in crisp and precise sound that comes together in a powerful surge of ultra-responsive bass, detailed high-end, and a pleasingly flat EQ curve with just a bit of audible kick further down the spectrum. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel for more updates.